Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So I figured in this video, I would just share with you what I put together for a skin routine. Now this is at nighttime, and of course the hairdo is not part of the skin routine. So this is just like a little extra, if you will. But anyway, that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, ring the bell, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I am just videotaping this on my phone. I have my Ricky skinny here. I have it attached, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, it's Sunday night. So usually, and if you guys don't follow me, I hope you do, subscribe. But if you do, you know, like, I really don't like to wash my hair more than maybe once a week. I try to get over to just washing it once a week. I do wash it on Sundays. So I just washed, you know, showered, shaved, all that good stuff. So I figured before we put together the nighttime skin routine, by the way, it's nighttime. I do all my showering and shaving at night. I do everything at night. Sleeping is precious to me. Sleeping is precious. And I am up at 5 o'clock in the morning for work. But anyway, so I figured I'm going to just run through this and just do my hair real quick, because if I put all my moisturizer on and all my goodness at night, my hair is going to stick to it. So let me just do my hair real quick. I look like Farrah Fawcett, don't I? If anybody's my age, you know who that is, one of Charlie's Angels. Anyway, I'm going to just leave them be for now. I'm going to just, look at that. I just have my roots done. I'm going to just use a clip just to get it off my face while I put my night skincare on. But anyway, so this is how I put my skin routine together. Oh, there's my little boyfriend. I am 54 years old. You know, but this is the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist Hyaluronic Acid and Oats. I'm going to step back because this is important. I drench myself. I love this. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm 54 years old. I have to be honest. I didn't really get serious with my skin routine probably but when I turned 50. You know, when you turn 50, all these light bulbs go off. But anyway, you can keep it as simple or as difficult as you want. It's totally up to you. I know when I do a routine, if I have to do 10, 12 steps, girl, I'm not going to do it. I'm just not going to do it. Even this alone is a lot, but I just incorporated like one thing recently, which is, this is the L'Oreal Revitalift 2.5%. It's an under eye serum. This is 2.5% hyaluronic acid and caffeine. It comes with like these metal balls. They feel so amazing. And of course, if you have like one of those mini refrigerators to put all your products in, this would be even extra fabulous. It feels fantastic. Anyway, I put it on top of my eyelids as well. Enough. And this feels so good. So I just recently, as you could see, it's brand new. I just started using it probably about 2 weeks ago. And you can use it AM and PM. I just preferred it in the PM because in the daytime, girl, especially when I'm at work, I am a nurse. I work 3 days a week. Girl, I'm sweating bullets. I just throw on my, my morning routine, which if you want to see that, I'll leave that video below. But yeah, first of all, I don't have time. I'm up at 5 o'clock in the morning. And I don't have time to, 5 minutes in between till it's sleeping. I just don't have time for that. But anyway, so I just use this at night, but I just recently incorporated this in my night routine. So my next step is the Ordinary. This is the 100% plant-derived squalene. I love this, especially like if you have like drier skin. My skin is like normal. And I always say, because what the hell really is normal? Really? It's normal, but I have like some dry patches here. You girl, you know the handlebars. I have some between my eyes, on my forehead. So I love this. So I use this first. I'm going to show it to you. It's just nice and oily, if you will. It's nice and oily. I love, let me look at that. I absolutely love to drench my face at night. And of course, whatever I have, I always put a bit more. Whatever I have on my face, I take it down my neck. And the décolleté. You know what? I have like, you see like over here, girl, everybody, as we get older, especially if you're big chested, everything scrunches, you see that? Or have like, I bought like those silicone, pads that you put here or you put here. I must have had them, I think I have them like over a year now. I just never used them. I don't know why, I should. Anyway, so this I adore it. Whatever I have left over, I just put it all over my hands. Love, love that. Then, if you guys, again, follow me, I'm on auto delivery with IT Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream. I love this. I absolutely love this. This is the anti-aging, rejuvenating concentrate cream in transforming moisturizing super cream. Again, I think you could apply this morning and night. I would never do this in the morning. Look at this. Where am I going with that? It's just way, way too thick. I would never do that in the morning. Look how delicious and fabulous. Now, I grabbed these oil drops. There, you can also use them in a cream. I watched Dominique Saxe, and she had one of the episodes with her dermatologist, and they were talking about like they were talking about retinoids and all that good stuff. Girl, I'm not getting a prescription, but I did pick up one of the products that she recommended. It was the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Retinol 0.5%. It looks like this. Actually, she didn't recommend this one. She recommended the cream, and I did pick that up, but I just ran out. But I have these drops. Let me just show you. So these are the drops. Girl, I just put them in my moisturizer. So what I do is I just take probably about that much. It's always going to be this finger, girl. It's always going to be this finger. That much. I'm going to just put it on the palm of my hands, just like that. I'm going to just take a couple of drops, whatever the heck that was, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want. I'm going to just feels so good. And I try really hard to be a back sleeper because you don't want all this on your sheets and in your pillowcases. But, I do put them on my eyelids. And if you're sensitive to it, please don't do whatever you feel is best for you. It never bothers me. That feels so good. I love to put 5,000 pounds of thick layer, and then I sleep like this. Don't anybody move. Ooh, that feels so good. Again, whatever I have left over, I put it on my hands. So that's that. That wasn't so hard, was it? So that is that. And then I have my Babe Lash serum that I put on my eyelashes. I think I'm running low, so I have to grab another one. So I just put some of my eyelash serum on every night. I just have my little Ricky Cutie over here. And I just put it a small little layer. I think I'm running out. Although, girl, I always have a backup. You know that. So I think, here we go. So I just put on a nice, generous layer. that. And then last but not least, there you go. It's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I actually picked an extra one up during the Prime sale on Amazon. I just put these on right over here. Oh, he's ready for bed. He's ready for bed. I even go above, you know, hoping that these little lovers right over here will go away. I mean, who the hell invited you? So I do put it on my lips and above. And that's it. So this is what I put together as a nighttime skin routine. Simple. It's very simple. You can add a few more. You could take away a few more. Whatever works for you. Make it your own. Make it something personal. You know, sometimes, you know, if you don't need a retinol cream, use something else. Or if you want to take, this is, I'm sure like for oily gals there, you're probably like, girl, that's like 5,000 pounds of oil. But I love it. I love it. And trust me, come tomorrow morning, my face is so fabulous and so soft and so supple. And let me tell you something, this is still on the lipperoni. Okay, so that's it. So then I'm gonna just put my hairdo down. I don't like to like put my fingers through it because I will do that tomorrow morning, and I'm hoping that, and P.S. I just air dried real quick, like maybe 30 seconds, if that. I still had to go back in and like wet a couple pieces because my hair dries so fast. I'm gonna grab like one of these silky elastics right over here, and I'm gonna just wrap it up, but lightly, so because I don't want the curls to go away, but light. You see it, nice and light and cute. That's it, just enough for me like not to sweat in the middle of the night. And yeah, so that's it. That's my night routine. So that is it, guys. This is my video, short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments down below if you have any questions. As always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.